Welcome back. Let's break down the global news that could hit the market next week, and exactly which sectors are in the crosshairs. Hey everyone! Today we have some significant headlines that could really move the markets. First up, we have multiple class action lawsuits filed by Braunstein, Gewurz, and Grossman against AeroVironment, Sportradar Group, Badger Meter, and PIXNV. These lawsuits allege investor harm, which typically raises a red flag for current and potential investors. When companies face legal issues like this, it can lead to increased volatility in their stock prices as investors react to the news. On another note, Micron has released its monster earnings report, and analysts are saying it contains the single most important number that could shape investor sentiment in the semiconductor sector. While specific details aren't confirmed yet, we can expect that whatever this number is, it will have implications for how investors view the broader tech landscape. With these legal challenges and earnings revelations, it's crucial to keep an eye on the stock performance of these companies and the sectors they belong to as we move forward. Let's dive into where the money is flowing in the markets. Currently, the healthcare and financial sectors are showing notable strength, with healthcare up around 2.63% and financials gaining 1.53%. This resilience could indicate investor confidence in the stability and growth potential of these sectors, especially in uncertain economic times. On the flip side, we're seeing a significant pullback in the technology sector, which is down 2.71%, and the semiconductor sector is feeling the pinch even more, with a drop of 4.54%. Such declines might signal concerns over future earnings potential or shifts in consumer demand. Interestingly, the energy sector has managed to post a modest gain of 0.78%, which may suggest some ongoing interest in energy investments, possibly fueled by geopolitical factors or changes in resource demand. Overall, the mixed signals across these sectors highlight the dynamic nature of the current market landscape, and investors should consider these trends when evaluating their portfolios. Now, let's take a global perspective and check in on overseas markets. The UK FTSE and Germany DAX are both experiencing modest gains, with the FTSE up 0.25% and the DAX up 0.78%. These positive movements could reflect investor optimism in Europe, possibly driven by strong economic data or positive corporate earnings. However, Japan's Nikkei is facing a significant decline of 2.47%, which suggests that traders are reacting to local economic challenges or perhaps global market pressures. Meanwhile, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index has rebounded slightly, gaining 0.76%. This mixed performance across different regions indicates that while some markets may be recovering, others are still grappling with uncertainties. Investors should keep an eye on these international trends, as they can often have a ripple effect on U.S. markets and may influence trading strategies moving forward. Let's discuss which sectors might be at risk based on the current headlines. Both the technology and semiconductor sectors are likely to experience heightened volatility, especially with the class action lawsuits piling up against several companies in these spaces. This could lead to a lack of investor confidence and potential sell-offs. If the allegations gain traction, it might trigger broader concerns about regulatory scrutiny and overall sector health. Additionally, while the healthcare sector is currently strong, it's essential to watch for any shifts, especially if economic conditions worsen or if regulatory changes are introduced that could impact pharmaceutical companies. Investors should develop educational scenarios around these sectors, considering potential entry points if prices drop due to adverse news, or exit points if they feel the negative sentiment could linger. The key is to stay informed and remain adaptable in this ever-changing landscape. As we wrap up, let's talk about the bottom line and the macro themes to watch going into next week. The class action lawsuits filed against various companies could be a strong indicator of how investor sentiment will shape up in the coming days. If these cases gain traction, we might see a ripple effect across the sectors involved, particularly in technology and semiconductors. Additionally, keep an eye on economic indicators that are expected to be released soon, as they will play a significant role in influencing market movements. Investor sentiment is crucial right now. Emotions can drive stock prices just as much as fundamentals. Being aware of how these dynamics play out will be vital for making informed decisions in the market. So stay tuned and keep analyzing the trends as they unfold. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a breakdown. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What are you watching, and what should I cover next? This is for education purposes only, not financial advice. Trade safe. And if this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates us to keep making these for you. And join my free Telegram channel for daily alerts with exact entry and exit prices. The link is in the description.